Here at the CME, we're always surrounded by really cool technology. And today I've got something I'm really excited to share with you from our friends at Louis Belet here on the Tornos. On this part, we're showing off a lot of different synchronization style tools. First, you're going to see a synchronization between the tool and the part to create an internal torque skive. So what you're doing is you rotate at a 5:6 ratio your part and your tool. You tilt your tool at a 15-degree angle, and as it comes through, it's skiving. If you're not familiar with skiving, it's kind of like broaching. So when it comes across the part, it's creating that internal profile. This is a cutting operation, so you don't have to undercut like you would in a traditional broaching, and it's significantly faster than milling out the entire profile on its own. Next, we're going to show off an origin duplex hob. Right now, we're preparing the blank for the OD. When this hob comes in, it's going to run across the part, move forward, and just kiss the back edge. Traditionally, you would have to hob something and then come back over it with a turning tool. But in this case, you can run the hob forward, come back, touch the back of the part, and remove any burrs. So that's basically a burrless hobbing. And Louis Belet has hobs available in a variety of profiles, both in like a surgical screwdriver hob or for like a gripping hob for electrical connectors or types of fittings. All these hob profiles and shapes are available for custom design, anything you can imagine. It's also available in this style on a shank or for a traditional hobbing unit. And lastly, we have a polygonal thread. It's actually putting an M1.4 on the end of this part. Right now you can see us preparing the blank, and in a fraction of the time it takes to traditionally thread a part, we can put the entire threading geometry profile into this live tool. So all you have to do is synchronize your tool to the part, come in, kiss the part, make sure you hit your diameter correctly, and you pop right back out. You don't have to worry about deburring, you don't have to worry about moving. Everything is already designed in the cutting of the tool.